Hello again. Last video I show you how to install exam, how to write where the exam will save the file. So by default in localhost, and I show you inside the file. The file it will be in the C exam htdocs. This is by default. It will be in this location. If you go to localhost, you will save this file. So you can write your code here if you want, or you can make a folder. And if you make a folder, you need to access it like this: localhost dash php. So I am inside this folder and I'm rendering index.php. So far we write only hello world in the editor, and this is how we write it: equal hello. So the good things in PHP that you can write HTML inside it. So if you can write HTML inside PHP file, so that means you can write also CSS inside a style tag, and you can write even JavaScript inside a script tag. So I will show you first the HTML. So if we make this and press tab, you will get the basic HTML. So as you can see, I write in HTML, and here inside here you can have access to what it's here, but you need to put it inside also PHP tag if you want to put something here. So for example, it will read from up to top. Let's delete this. So now we don't have hello in we have only this. So in the body, so if we write h1, we need to close the h1 and we write hello. We save the file. Now if we go to the page and refresh, you will see the h1 hello. It's rendered already in the DOM. So you can see you can write HTML inside PHP file. So because of this, you can also write script. For example, let's write script. I need to close it. So if we write inside the script console log, and we log the word hello. So as you can see, we write JavaScript inside PHP file, and let's check if it will run or not. So if we refresh and we go to inspector to see the console, you can see hello here. See, so inside the index file, inside the script. So you can inside PHP, you can write even inside the PHP file, you can write JavaScript, and this is really nice things in PHP. It's make it more flexible. So you can even write CSS inside it. So let's go back to the editor. So as you can see here, so we don't need this. As I told you, we can write PHP also inside. Can write PHP. You close the PHP, and here we put echo, the same what we write before. Don't forget the semicolon. And now if we save, so we write PHP inside the HTML tag. So maybe you'll tell me what the benefit from this. I will show you right now. If we go to here and refresh, we'll still have hello. So this is still working inside PHP. So what the benefit from this, like you can access a variable in PHP inside HTML. For example, this is how we create a variable. You need the $sign, and let's say name equal to Mike. Don't forget the semicolon. So we have here a variable. If you want to call this variable, you need to use also the $sign with the variable. So if we need to echo the name, we echo the name like this. So inside PHP tag, we accessing the variable, which it's already here. So we have access to this, and we can display the variable inside HTML, and this variable is defined in PHP. So if we go to the DOM again and refresh, you will have Mike here. So this is, we access the variable from HTML and the variable defined in PHP, but we have access to it inside PHP tag. I believe you can do the same things without echo and without the PHP. Just put the equal sign. I think it will work also. So this is like shorthand, so you don't need the echo. Let's check if it's worked. I'm not sure. Let's refresh, and it's working. So this is the short hands. If you want to access something and display it inside PHP, you don't need to write PHP, you just need the equal sign, and you put the variable inside the PHP tag. This is still PHP tag, and this is how we reassign the variable. Now if you want to override the variable, you just need to, because it's read from up to top, so we need to overwrite it down. So if you put name and you change it to Marco, and you saved, and now the name here should be Marco, because we overwrite the first one with this, and this is how we overwrite a variable, and this is just a normal variable. Let's go to the DOM and refresh, and we'll get Marco, because now the variable name, it has been overwritten by this line. So, and this is how we override a variable, and this is how we create a variable. So you can assign, you can do the same. For example, let's make age, and we give it a number, say 99. So this is how you assign a number, and this is still a variable, but this is different kind of data type. This is a string and this is a number, and you still have access to it here. So if you can make this, for example, name. So we write HTML and we access a dynamic variable here, and let's make another one and make age, and here we need to use the age variable. So now we should get name. Let's delete this. Name Mike and age 99. Let's check what happened in the DOM. If we refresh, we get name Mike and age. If you see, there is no space here, so you can put the space, I think, here, and we save, and we go again, and now you can see it. There is name and age. This is all for this video. We will continue in next video. See you then.